everybody, Sam again here, Worship Piano Lessons. Today we are going to learn My Soul Says Yes. One of you requested that song in the comment section, so I said today is a very great day for us to learn that song. So the song itself we play, let me play the beat first and then I show you. So it starts like this. Okay, so that is the main part, the first part. So the song we start like this. My soul says yes. Let's play the main. So we start. My soul says yes. Says yes. Say yeah. Then you can play like this, or you can play like this. Both can work. Let's try again. So you play, my soul says yes. You start with the upper F sharp. Says yes. Says yeah. Hey. My soul says yes. Says to your will. Back to the low F sharp. Again, my soul says yes, says yes, says yeah, yeah. My soul says yes, says to your will. When you lead me, I will follow. When you call me, I will answer. Oh my Lord, please teach me how to know your will. So be my guide, be my light, be my way, be my will. Oh my Lord, please teach me how to know your will. Alright, so that's how we play the main keys. Now let's play the melody. The melody, we start here like this. Okay, so we start the upper. This is C sharp, so okay, so my soul says yes again. Say yes, then again. Say yeah. This is number 6. Hey. Then you repeat. Okay, let's play again for the last time. Okay, so when you lead me, say, I follow, I will answer. Oh my Lord, please teach me how to know your will. So that one you can just play the main keys. All right, let's play again for the last time with the beat. My soul says yes, say yes. My soul says yes, says yes to your will. When you lead me, I will follow. When you call me, I will answer. Oh my Lord, please teach me how to know your way. So be my guide, be my light, be my way, be my will. Oh my Lord, let your will be done in me. Alright guys, that's how we play this song. Remember to subscribe if you have not, like, comment, and share to your family, friends. And we have now our M-Pesa account, so if you want to help us donate something because you want to buy new equipment, you can go ahead and send your contribution via our M-Pesa number there, all using the PayPal account there we have. And also we are on the process of opening our till number. If you feel like you are blessed to bless us, consider to do so. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one.